Hey guys and girls, so welcome back. So we've got our Craftex CT053 1 horsepower dust collector all assembled, and we're ready for bags, the last step. And I have heard that putting the bags on can be a bit of a pain, and you know what, we're going to turn down the music because I should have done that first. We don't want any copyright claims coming up on this video. So sorry for jumping in front of the camera, but what we've done is we've installed this through the bag. There's actually 2 cuts in the bottom of the bag. Just simply feed everything through, take it nice and easy, and no issues. These things don't get caught because of the direction that they're going, so just kind of work everything through slowly. You don't want to bend this metal. So what we do, simply hang it on the top. Just make sure that the ring is actually around. Tighten her on. So that's it, that's the top. And now for the bottom. So we're going to move this a little closer, just so we can see that a little better. So I have heard that the bottoms can be a bit of a pain. So what we're going to do is start this bag, make sure that it's up and around everything. And what we're going to do, we're going to take a piece of tape and just barely catch the top of that bag. We're going to work around the side here. We're going to do the same thing, just barely catching the top of the bag. I'd heard that even getting the bag over the shroud was difficult. So now the bag is being held in place, so we can just take this now, and I'm actually going to turn this towards you so that you can see how this unit, how this clamp goes together. So we're going to make sure that it's threaded underneath everything. And make sure that it's still up top of everything, which it is. Make sure that this is pulled towards you. Done. Just like that. So, there we go. That is the assembly process of the Craftex CT053 1 horsepower dust collector in all of its glory. So, if you guys found the video informative, think about giving me a thumbs up. If you didn't, thumbs down. Tell me why down in the comments. If you're new to the channel, maybe think about hitting that subscribe button right there. I'm adding new content all the time. It might be how to build a dust collector. It might be unboxing of a new product. It might be something like, say, that nice dust collector up in the corner. Could be anything. Could be car related. We even put a video up there on how to make hand sanitizer because of all the COVID stuff going on. So again, I hope you found the video informative. Think about liking it, thinking about giving a thumbs up, thumbs down, and comment. I will get back to you, and we'll see you on the next video.